How to get the Sweet Dreams filter on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get the Sweet Dreams filter on TikTok. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Tap on post. Tap on effect. Tap on effect and keep searching. This is the filter of Sweet Dreams. You can start record. If you didn't find this effect, all you need to do is go back, tap on discover, tap on search and tap Sweet Dreams filter. Now this is the filter. I didn't find the effect, but I found those videos, so what I'm gonna do is tap on one of those videos. Now tap on Sweet Dreams. Now this is the effect. Tap on try this effect and this is it. This is how you're gonna find the Sweet Dreams filter.